Diatomaceous Earth. No, not a 1970s progressive rock band. Diatomaceous Earth, or DE for short, is a form of powder derived from siliceous sedimentary rock, made up of the fossilized skeletons of diatoms, which are microscopic algae, or simply put, the concentrated form of silica. It's cheap and incredibly versatile. Two main types exist, which are filter grade, suitable for industrial uses such as swimming pool filters and the production of dynamite, and the main one we will be focusing on, food grade, which is believed to have many health benefits, such as purifying the digestive system, enhancing cholesterol and cardiovascular health, providing essential trace minerals to the body. It's good for bone health, encourages hair growth, promotes skin health and nail strength, helps get rid of bed bugs and other pests. Want a cheap and easy way for whiter teeth? Sprinkle a small amount over your toothpaste for a deep, satisfying clean. Although don't use it daily, it's best used in moderation to protect your enamel. Need to know more benefits? Well, it also enhances the immune system necessary for collagen synthesis, prevents heavy metal toxicity. It's useful for wounds and burns healing, can assist in lowering blood pressure, contains anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with diabetes, enhances your appearance, relieves urinary tract infections and can reduce headaches and migraines. Try a quick, easy and healthy beverage by mixing about a teaspoon of the powder with water and drinking the liquid. It needs to be taken right away because the powder won't actually dissolve in water. You can then try working up to a full tablespoon if you like. Always use 100% food grade. Want to know even more benefits? It can be used topically as a skin exfoliant, aids in water purification, aids in keeping the skin supple. It helps in providing energy to the body, may reduce the risk of dementia. There's a possible risk reduction for Alzheimer's disease, can aid in lowering cholesterol. It can help in preventing postmenopausal osteoporosis, can aid in reducing stress and optimizing health. It regulates and encourages healthy sleep patterns, helps decrease muscle weakness and fatigue, and a whole host of other benefits. You might be wondering about any possible side effects of using it, and it certainly divides opinion. The FDA lists it as generally recognized as safe. A face mask is advised, depending on the use, as inhalation of diatomaceous earth may cause nasal irritation. Coughing and/or shortness of breath can occur if too much is inhaled. Skin and eye discomfort are also possible side effects of diatomaceous earth consumption. Opinions by experts vary on the possible benefits and side effects, so use your own research and judgment, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Always stick to 100% food grade for human use and follow the instructions on the label. We hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more updates.